हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे आरएसी के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। 25 ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस तैयार करेंगे जो कि काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड अदर एग्जामिनेशन प्रॉस्पेक्टिव से। पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ पढ़ते हैं आगे। पहला क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि जो COP है, द COP ऑफ रिवर्स साइकिल रेफ्रिजरेशन साइकिल इज डिफाइंड एज अ रेशियो ऑफ COP of a reverse cycle refrigeration cycle is defined as a ratio of. The right answer is that इसका right answer हो जाएगा refrigeration effect and work done. Refrigeration effect and work done is the right answer. Next question, question number 2. COP of reverse Carnot cycle with lower temperature T1 and higher temperature T2 will be. The right answer is for T1 upon T2 minus T1. Next question, question number 3. If the T2 is kept fixed in refrigerator working on reverse Carnot cycle, then COP with increase in T1 will be increases. Increases. Next question, question number 4 की तरफ हम लोग बढ़ते हैं आगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कह रहा है कि इन अ रिवर्स कार्नोट साइकिल वर्किंग ऑन अ परफेक्ट गैस द आइसेंट्रोपिक वर्क ऑफ कंप्रेशन रेशियो इज डैश आइसेंट्रोपिक वर्क ऑफ एक्सपेंशन। द राइट आंसर इज दैट equal to in reverse Carnot cycle working on a perfect gas the isentropic work of compression is equal to the isentropic work of expansion. The next question, question number 5 is that in reverse Carnot cycle working on a vapor work done during isothermal process is. The right answer is 0. The right answer is 0. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6 onwards. Question number 6 कह रहा है if the R if the R is the volume compression ratio. If R is the volume compression ratio for isentropic compression, then the COP of Carnot refrigerator is equal to. The right answer is that 1 upon R की पावर गामा माइनस 1 is the right answer. क्या होगा right answer? That is your 1 upon R की पावर गामा minus 1 is the right answer. Next question. Question number 7. If the ratio of high temperature to low temperature for reverse Carnot refrigerator, question number 7 कह रहा है if the ratio of high temperature to low temperature for reverse Carnot refrigerator is 5/4 then COP will be. The right answer is that 4. क्या होगा right answer? 4. Next question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 अगर हम बात करते हैं रिवर्स कार्नोट साइकिल की जिसकी हैज़ अ COP की वैल्यू है 4 एंड द रेशियो ऑफ हायर टेम्परेचर टू द लोअर टेम्परेचर विल बी. द राइट आंसर इज़ 1.25. राइट आंसर इज़ द 1.25. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 की बात करते हैं तो जो COP ऑफ कार्नोट रेफ्रिजरेटर है यूज फॉर कंफर्ट कूलिंग इज डैश when compared to that used for making ice. The right answer is higher. Right answer is higher. Next question, question number 10. Question number 10 कह रहा है कि for the same range temperature operation the difference in COP of heat pump and refrigerator is. The right answer is unity. Right answer is that unity. Next question, question number 11. A refrigerator operating in the same range will have dash COP when working substance is changed from R12 to R717. The right answer is that is same COP. A refrigerator operating in same range will have same COP when working substance is changed from R12 to R717. Next question, question number 12. The COP of a heat pump operating on a reverse Carnot cycle is defined as a ratio of, his right answer is 12, is heat rejected and work done. Heat rejected and work done. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हीट रिजेक्टेड एंड वर्क डन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 की तरफ बढ़ते हैं आगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 कह रहा है कि अगर हीट पंप है, आ हीट पंप ऑपरेटिंग बिटवीन द टेम्परेचर T2 एंड लोअर टेम्परेचर T1 हैज़ COP ऑफ, क्या होगा राइट आंसर इज दैट T2 अपॉन T2 माइनस T1, T2 अपॉन T2 माइनस T1। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, a ton of refrigeration in terms of kilojoule per minute is equal to, the right answer is 211. Right answer is 1 ton of refrigeration in terms of kilojoule per minute is equal to 211. Next question, question number 15, a ton of refrigeration in terms of kilowatt is equal to 3.52, is equal to 3.52. Next question, question number 16 is that a ton of refrigeration in terms of kilocalorie per minute is equal to, is 50.4, is 50.4. Next question, question number 17. Question number 17 says that, क्वेश्चन 17 तरफ हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन 17 कह रहा है कि इन केस ऑफ वेट वेपर रीजन द वर्क ऑफ आइसेंट्रोपिक कंप्रेशन इज डैश वर्क ऑफ आइसेंट्रोपिक एक्सपेंशन। द राइट आंसर इज दैट मोर देन, द राइट आंसर इज दैट मोर देन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 18। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 कह रहा है कि Carnot refrigerator among all the refrigerator operating between two fixed temperature has dash coefficient of performance. The right answer is that highest coefficient of performance. This is the highest coefficient of performance. Next question, question number 19. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 की तरफ बढ़ते हैं आगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 says that, question number 19 is that air refrigeration cycle work on dash cycle. Air refrigeration cycle work on dash cycle. The right answer is that is Bell-Coleman. Bell-Coleman. Air refrigeration cycle work on Bell-Coleman cycle. Next question, question number 20. Air refrigeration system is preferred in dash. Air refrigeration system is preferred in dash. The right answer is that aircraft, is aircraft. Next question, question number 21. The dense air system in compression to open air system based on Bell-Coleman system for a given range of temperature has dash power ton of refrigeration. What is the right answer is that is lower power slash ton of refrigeration. The next question is that 22. If Rp is a pressure ratio in Bell-Coleman refrigeration cycle, then COP is, क्या हो जाएगा इसका राइट आंसर, 1 अपॉन आर पी की पावर गामा माइनस 1 अपॉन गामा माइनस 1, 1 अपॉन आर पी गामा माइनस 1 अपॉन गामा माइनस 1. Next question, question number 23rd is that fluids dash heat while changing from a liquid phase to vapor phase. The right answer is absorb, is absorb. 23rd का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा फ्लूइड absorb heat while changing from the liquid phase to vapor phase. Next question, question number 24. A container in which the liquid is vaporized and heat is absorbed. The right answer is the evaporator. The right answer is that 24 का right answer हो जाएगा evaporator. Is that evaporator? And the last question, question number 25. The temperature at which the liquid vaporized is tied with the right answer is that pressure. Is pressure. These are the right answers. 1 to 25 questions answers. Please tally it. Thanks for watching and sharing.